Welcome back guys. In today's video, I'll guide you how to use TikTok Shop. So if you're an avid fan of TikTok and haven't explored the TikTok Shop yet, well this video is for you. First things first is open your TikTok application, then tap shop icon. In the homepage of your TikTok Shop, you can browse any item you want to purchase or by clicking the search bar, or you can search whatever you want. You can also search a product that you don't know by using the camera search. So in here, all you have to do is to take a photo or upload a photo of that product. Then at the top right corner, you can see the three bars here where you can locate the orders, coupons, messages, bonus, address, payment, and help. In the order, you can see all your order items here, such as unpaid, to ship, to review, or refunded items. And also, if you want to save more, you can click this coupon and you can try to use different TikTok coupons here. So just tap claim, or select any what you want. Now, you can also add your payment method by linking your credit or debit card or using your TikTok shop balance. Additionally, if you want to check out the item, just go to cart at the top section and select the cart, and then check the items you want to check out and then tap checkout. So make sure to add your shipping address and the payment method you want to. So they are applicable to credit or debit card, cash on delivery, GCash, Maya, and so on. So after you settled everything, just tap place order. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.